Abukar Ahmed's English is not very good, but his message is clear. He says he was tortured at the hands of a man now living in Columbus. This former constitutional law professor believes a federal lawsuit will prove he's telling the truth. It's 1988 in Mogadishu, Somalia. The country is undergoing political unrest. There are claims of government torture of citizens. Abukar Ahmed remembers it like yesterday.
Mentally, I'm not so good because I have some nightmares in the night. So I'm suffering from that torture.
Torture outlined in this federal lawsuit. Ahmed claims his testicles were squeezed with iron instruments. Sand and small stones were forced into his mouth. He was beaten with sticks.
In front of me, he told his subordinates to do their job. That means that they have to torture me.
He says the order came from this man. Abdi Megan is a former colonel in the Somali military, now living in Columbus. Ahmed is suing him under the Torture Victim Protection Act.
He knows that he did all these things, not only to me, but to many Somalis. But he denied everything. What I was expecting from him.
And that's exactly what Megan did. He denied the claims when we questioned him about the allegations.
I deny anything at all about this, allegation.
Ahmed says he spent 20 years trying to find Megan. He searched the internet for his name and was shocked to find where he was living. When I asked him what he would say to the man he believes ordered his torture, his answer was simple.
It does not exist nowhere that you can hide yourself until you confess and repent.
Ahmed hopes by filing the lawsuit he will be able to provide a voice for torture victims who did not survive. His civil lawsuit seeks unspecified monetary damages. Kevin Landers, 10 TV News.